In this video, I'll show you how to post an Instagram story from your laptop. So the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser and launch up Instagram.com. Now make sure you're logged into your account and then you can click on your profile from the left hand side. Now you can see that if I click on my profile picture, there's no actual option to upload a story. Now this is because Instagram don't let you upload stories from your computer. They kind of encourage you to use the mobile app. Luckily, however, there is still a solution where we can upload stories from our computer. So all you need to do is right click somewhere on the screen and then come down to inspect. Now this is going to bring up a bunch of code which you can just ignore as we won't be needing this. The only thing you need to make sure is that this icon here is selected like so, and then from the left hand side you'll see an option for dimensions. Now if you just click on this drop down, you'll see a bunch of different phones that you can choose from. It doesn't really matter which one you select. I've just got the iPhone 14 selected. If you can't see the entire screen, you can always adjust this percentage here as well. So I've just got mine set to 50% so I can see the entire page. So once you're in this view here, you need to click on the home button in the bottom left hand side, and then what you need to do is refresh the page a couple of times until you see the upload story bit in the left hand side here. So you can see now that I've refreshed the page and now we have your story appear in the top left hand side. So now all you simply need to do is click on the your story, and that's going to take you directly over to your files, and from here we can just select the story that we want to upload. So I'm going to double click on this image. You may get this security message pop up, just click allow on every visit, and here's the photo that I'm trying to upload to my Instagram story. So now all I need to do is click on add to your story right at the bottom, and as you can see that's now uploading and my photo has now been added to my story. So if I just click on my story like so, you can now see here is what it looks like. And that's it guys, that's how you upload a story on your laptop. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.